Okay. Hey guys, we are back and just 24 hours later. I let the ideas stew in my head a bit about what I should do with that special box from Reunion. And I decided to turn the ingredients into a breakfast sandwich. We're not going to change too many things. I'm pretty much just gonna use the ingredients that they sent me, add a little something special in there, but just sort of like rejigger it, re-change it up, the presentation more than just how you eat it. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to make the shakshuka as if you're just gonna make it in the pan, blah, 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 blah. We're gonna take the challah that's supposed to be on the side, and we're gonna make it into a little breakfast sandwich situation. So it is going to be, it's gonna be good. All the flavors are there, I don't have to worry about that. My worries are just making sure it holds up, cooking the eggs properly, making sure that I like my eggs to be a little runny. That's me, especially in a sandwich. I sort of like that yolkiness running through it. So yeah, I think we're gonna do good. I think this is gonna be a good one, I believe. First step, I have our challah rolls, and I'm just going to slice the challahs in half, and then on one side, I'm going to add feta, and then on the other side, I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil, and a little bit of olive oil on the feta side too, and then salt and pepper. So we are going to toast the bread in the oven, warm it up at 350, put it on the broiler just to get the cheese sort of melty. Feta doesn't melt great, but just to heat it up a little bit. All right, so then in the package came this like really beautiful, lush tahini. I'm going to amp it up a little bit. I'm just gonna add some hot sauce to it. I want some heat in there, and I think like a spicy tahini to just sort of drizzle on top and maybe use as a little side condiment. It'll be good, it'll be delicious. Okay, so that's it for the prep. Let's go over to stove and let's cook our shakshuka. Okay, so before we get started, obviously, let's talk about the hat of the day. Today's hat of the day is, oh my God, look at my hair, it's a mess. This is a cardinal red, pink bottom, New York Yankees 1999 World Championship hat. I like it. I felt like it fit the shakshuka theme. Why? I don't know, maybe some red, but it's a very, very cool hat. So, all right, let's do this. Easy first steps for the shakshuka. We're gonna take that shakshuka base that they sent me. We're gonna pour it into the pan. I'm just gonna bring up the sauce to a simmer, and once it's at a simmer, I've cracked 4 eggs into little individual containers, and I'm just going to make a little tiny hole in the shakshuka itself and place the eggs one by one. I wanna keep them separated so they don't all form together into one thing. Okay, so now that they're all cracked, I'm just going to place the cover here, and we're just gonna let it go and continue to check on it a little bit. It should probably take 5 to 7 minutes. Obviously, like the sauce is already cooked, it's already come together. You just want the eggs to cook through. So just checking on them, making sure that yolk is cooked to the way you want it. The whites, the way I want it is I want the whites to be cooked, but the yolk to be just a little runny still. Get that yolk running through it. So I'll keep checking in on it, and then we'll see what we got. All right, so it's been about 7 minutes. Let's see here. Oh yes, we are looking very, very, very beautiful. Let's see here, in the oven. Bread is looking good in the oven, we're good there. So let's head back and let's build. All right, bread looks good, shakshuka looks good. Let me just spoon the eggs. I'm gonna put sort of like one on one half and one on the other. Okay. And then I'm going to drizzle a little bit of that spicy tahini right on top. Looking good. Spicy tahini, fuck yeah. That's it, let's fold over. Oof, anytime that yolk bursts, it just like sends shivers down my spine. Woo. Oh, beautiful layers. That was very, very, very good. There's just so many flavors going on in the one bite. That shakshuka sauce that they sent me was just unbelievable. Like so many just spices going on, so many flavors. So good. You're getting a nice runny yolk running through it. You're getting that saltiness from the feta. You're getting that nice little heat because we made a little spicy tahini. Little nunez from the two. And sort of that like lush butteriness you're getting from the challah itself. Absolutely wonderful. I really like adding the olive oil to the bread and toasting it in the oven a little bit. Just adds a little bit more crunch in the middle of the whole bite too. There's a lot of like soft things going on. Really nice. You know, I think it helps hold the sandwich together too. That's a lot of things they're putting on there, and the toasted challah held up to it very, very well. But you know what I want? I want even more of that. I want even more of that spicy tahini. Let's just dunk. Just go for the dunk. Oh yes. Now, we're done. We're out. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you subscribe if you aren't subscribed. Hope you like this video. Hope you comment below and let me know about what you think about this dish. And I will see you guys next time. Out.